favorite artist here, AC, back at you with another video today. We're doing a pair of custom Timberlands. Yes, no, maybe. Yeah, so check this out. I'm gonna show y'all what I was working on. I know it's been a little minute since I upload, trying to get more consistent, but you know, some of us have jobs outside of YouTube, so you know how that go. So let's get straight into it. Bye.
TTTTTW Productions. When you're fresh like me, all the chicks gon' watch ya. Inside of my closet look like Foot Locker. Yeah. Every pair of J's dating back to 1993, and the pair Kenyon Martin wore back at UC. Every fitted you see, match the shoes perfectly. When you think I can't get hotter, add 10 degrees. I used to skip class when the J's came out. Returned with a bag, but I wore them things out. Red speckles stretch across the black shoestrings. In the Queen City, I be the red and black king. I got a harem full of dimes that's after my jewels. Some after my footwork, I carry the tools. With so much swagger, I gotta be a rapper. With so much red, they say I gotta be a capper. I admit, females' fingertips swim through my waves, but I do my own thing, rock these colors every day. Red and black J's, red and black natty hat, rock Chicago Bulls or the Cincinnati Bearcats. Red and black shirt with the black jeans to match, man in the nasty. They call me Mr. Red and black J's, red and black natty hat, rock Chicago Bulls or the Cincinnati Bearcats. Red and black shirt with the black jeans to match, man in the nasty. They call me Mr. Red and black. All my life, I rushed to be grown. Now I wanna be a kid again. Wish I could go back home. Damn, I miss my mama. 2 years ago, lost her whole life. My dad done moved on. My mama, that's his whole wife. My mama, that's my whole life. My brothers, we used to kick it too. My family, I'm trying to hold tight. Quality time, we just sacrifice to chase that money, chase no bunnies, chase them thoughts, run from cops, drink a lot, pills we pop, smoking good. We would do it different if we could. Just good people who's from the hood, did what we could with no much. Started families, didn't keep in touch. Our self-pity was a crush. Chasing out the money on the treadmill, trying to get our weight up with no meals. My brother's tropical, they got no chill. That's why it goes down when it gets real. Put my money where my mouth is, got a grill. If the police see it, I could be killed. That's why we always run, we don't stay still. Politicians politicking, hoping that they get my vote. Promise hope, promise jobs, but I make more selling dope. Yeah. What would you do if you had to walk a mile in my shoes? What would you say